A Lancet study conducted by Oxford researchers in UK has revealed shocking results about the doxycycline used in the COVID-19 patients. Hello, welcome back. Doxycycline is an antibiotic that is being used to treat COVID-19 respiratory symptoms. Recently, a study published in the journal Lancet revealed shocking results. It found that doxycycline will not reduce the recovery time, hospital admissions, or deaths related to SARS-CoV-2 infections. Therefore, researchers from the University of Oxford, UK, recommended that the drug should not be used as a routine treatment for COVID-19. Despite the lack of evidence from clinical trials to support its use, India's COVID-19 treatment guidelines also recommended the use of doxycycline until the guidelines were revised last 2 months back. Doxycycline is a cheap antibiotic used to treat many different bacterial infections that include acne, urinary tract infections, gastrointestinal and respiratory infections, gonorrhea, chlamydia, syphilis, and many others. The question comes, where did its use started? So the use of doxycycline is supported by many research groups across the world after a small study published by researchers at the University of Texas in the May during the last year, which found that the drug could interrupt SARS-CoV-2 replication in cells in petri dishes. Study is conducted in petri dishes, not in humans. But doxycycline is commonly used for the COVID-19 respiratory symptoms in the people despite lack of evidence from clinical trials. So this study is aimed to assess the efficacy of doxycycline to treat suspected COVID-19 in the community among people at high risk of adverse outcomes, and that had included 1,728 participants. How this study is conducted? So, a clinical trial of interventions against COVID-19 among older people is conducted by researchers across primary care centers in the UK. The trial included people aged 65 years or older or 50 years or older with comorbidities. Now the comorbidities in this study included weakened immune system, heart disease, hypertension, asthma, lung disease, diabetes, stroke, or neurological problems and obesity, so all of which have been associated with worse COVID outcomes. So the average age of the participants in the group is about 61.1 years. Researchers studied people who are sick for about 14 days with suspected COVID-19 or positive RT-PCR test for SARS-CoV-2 infection. Participants in the study were randomly assigned to two different groups. So the first group of 948 people received usual standard care, that is supportive treatment to alleviate symptoms, whereas the second group of 780 people got usual care along with oral dose of doxycycline. This doxycycline is given at a dose of 200 mg on the first day, then 100 mg once daily for the following 6 days. That means the doxycycline treatment is given for about 1 week. The team collected data on the recovery, hospitalization or deaths due to COVID-19 and found little difference in terms of average time to recovery between those who got doxycycline compared to those who did not. Shocking results have been obtained from this research. So in the first group that did not receive doxycycline, 43 people needed hospitalization or died. Whereas in the other group that received doxycycline, 41 people either needed hospitalization or died due to COVID-19. If we assess only deaths related to COVID-19, so there were 5 deaths in the doxycycline group, whereas there are 2 deaths in usual care only group. The research team has concluded that among patients with suspected COVID-19 in the UK who were at high risk of adverse outcomes, treatment with doxycycline was not associated with clinically meaningful reductions in the recovery or hospital admissions or deaths related to COVID-19. And doxycycline should not be used as a routine treatment for COVID-19.